Today for phonics, we're going to talk about long A and long I. Looking at our picture card, we see a picture of an acorn. We hear A at the beginning of acorn. A is the long A sound when A says its name. This can be spelled with just the letter A or A consonant E, also known as a magic E word. Let's look at our next sound card. We see ice cream. We hear I at the beginning of ice cream. That's the long I sound when I says its name. Ice cream. The long I sound can be made with just the letter I by itself or with I consonant E. Again, a magic E word.